Okay, just imagine this. You've been spending time creating your content, editing the content, and yet the content is good, and you hit on that publish button and you put the content out there on YouTube, but then you hardly get the views. YouTube hardly recommend those videos to more people that need to watch in order for you to skyrocket your views in 2024. Don't worry, I've been there before, and I finally find some few settings that you can enable in your YouTube studio that can actually skyrocket your views and helps YouTube to recommend your video to more people that are interested in what your content is all about. Okay, so you just need to stick around to the end of those videos. Please, if you are seeing my face for the very first time, this is Affitech Digital. Do well to like, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be among the first person to get notified. Without wasting much time, I'm going to head over to the other side of my screen. So the first setting I want to talk about is for your custom thumbnail. I'm going to show you how you can actually enable these custom thumbnails on your YouTube studio. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'm just going to head over to the other side of my screen, which I'm going to show you how you can actually enable these custom thumbnails on your YouTube studio. Okay, this is the interface of our YouTube studio. Okay, so you just go to where you see setting and you click on that. So when you click on setting, you see channel here. You are just going to go ahead and click on channel. So when you click on channel, you see all these options here. You come to feature eligibility. When you come to feature eligibility, you see this intermediate features here: videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and live streaming. Okay, so you have to like enable this, okay, so that to help YouTube to recommend your videos to more viewers. That is number one setting that you actually need to enable on your phone. Okay, after that being said, another setting that can actually help your video to be discovered by so many persons on YouTube is for you to add a default keyword to your YouTube channel. I don't mean like the keyword that you had when you want to like upload a video on your YouTube channel. I mean you adding some relevant keyword based on what your channel is all about, based on your niche. Okay, then for you to activate that, you have to click on setting again. So when you click on setting, you can see upload default. Yeah, so you are just going to go ahead and click on upload default. So when you click on this upload default, you are going to see about our channel. Okay, this is the default upload that I've uploaded on my YouTube channel. Okay, this takes now whenever I want to upload a new video, I just need to add the description of that new video. I don't need to add links to my social media platforms again. I don't need to add links to my I don't need to add links to some of my videos again. Okay, because already I have uploaded this thing as a default. So whenever I want to upload a video, I'll just need to like put in the video description, the tags, the hashtags, and I don't need to bother myself adding some of these my social media links again. Okay, so you need to do the same on your YouTube channel. But see where I really want to talk to you about. You just click on general. Okay, sorry, channel. So when you click on channel, you go ahead and select your country of residence. Okay, you know where you are from. You go ahead and select that. So after selecting that, you see this keyword. This is what I'm actually talking about. Like in my YouTube channel, I talk everything about making money online. Okay, I share tips and tutorials that can actually help you to edit your video like a pro. I share all of those stuff like that. So you just need to come here, and type in the keyword that is related to your YouTube channel niche. This will actually help your channel to be discovered, or it will actually help your channel to be known when people are actually searching for something like this, how to make money online. My channel is going to come up because that is one of the keyword I'm using on my YouTube channel. Is a default keyword. Go to ChatGPT, like make ChatGPT to be your friend. Go to ChatGPT Ask ChatGPT to generate keyword related to your YouTube channel. Before ChatGPT, we actually know the keyword to generate that is related to your YouTube channel. You need to make it to be your friend. You need to communicate with it very well, and ChatGPT will actually know what your channel is all about. Like me, if I want to generate a keyword for myself, I'll just go and tell ChatGPT, okay, generate a keyword for my YouTube channel. Okay, don't worry guys, let me just show you right now. Okay, let it not be like I'm talking too much. Okay, let me just head over to my ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate a keyword that is related to my YouTube channel. You are going to see the magic that this ChatGPT is going to do for me, because already I've been communicating with it. I'll make it to be my PA, my friend, so it knows what my YouTube channel is all about. Okay, so let's just wait for it to comes up. I need to verify if I'm a human. God. Okay, let's just say generate a relevant keyword based on my YouTube channel niche. Let's just look at the magic, guys. Okay, so you see the reason why I told you to make ChatGPT your friend in this particular aspect. I don't know what is wrong. Can you see what I was actually talking about? Here are some relevant keywords based on your YouTube niche of making money online, tutorials, and financial related content. Okay, you can see this: how to start a business, how to make money watching blah blah blah, drop shipping, YouTube channel growth tips, and all of this stuff like that. So what you just need to do, if you have not been communicating with ChatGPT, just put there, after you might have typed in those prompts here, you can now put, okay, this is what my channel is all about, so that ChatGPT will actually know what kind of keyword to actually generate for you in order for you to put it there in your YouTube channel. Okay, another feature that I want you to turn on your YouTube Studio app is actually when you want to upload a video. Okay, so let me just click on create. Okay, so let me click on create here. So when I click on create, I'll say upload videos. So let's just say I pick any random video. I'm not going to pick what is long. I'm just going to pick a short videos for the purpose of this tutorial, because I actually want to show you how you can turn on those activate this setting rather on your YouTube Studio. Okay, okay, let's just say I pick any of those. So let me pick that and allow it to load, and I'll soon stop it, because I actually do this to show you guys the setting that you actually need to turn on. So okay, you can see this upload before that I was talking together, but you can see this. Okay, you can see this right here. So that is that for that. So after that, you see this allow embedding, leave it on, because if actually you've turned this off, it will not make your video to be like, it will not make your video to be seen on external sites like WhatsApp, Google. Someone can actually search for the topic of your video on Google and your video pops up. So if you have turned this off, you actually need to leave it on right now, because it's very very important. Okay, this publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers, you need to leave it on. Of course, you want to notify your subscribers whenever you upload a new video. Okay, so there's no point of you turning those things off. So you actually need to leave it on, so that whenever you upload a new video, they will be notified that you have dropped a new video, and they'll rush to come and watch your video, which will actually increase your views, your watch time, and everything. So you just need to leave this on. Okay, so after leaving that on, you come to your comment section. That's another thing that actually needs to leave on your YouTube Studio. Okay, you can see comments and rating. Choose if and how you want to show comments. Okay, so make sure you leave it on. So after leaving it on, you can just press on this drop down arrow. Okay, when you press on this drop down arrow, you can see mine is on basic. Okay, don't hold any comment. None means don't hold any comment. The reason why I put mine on basic is because sometimes you may actually post a video on YouTube and people will actually come to leave a negative comment or a scam, oh this in this way, like all those nonsense comments. You need to actually filter it out. I actually filter those comments out on my YouTube channel. That's why I'm putting my own in moderate. Okay, moderate means that all those comments are imputed and I filter it out. When people actually like come to my comment section and comment about something like that, I'm not going to see it. Okay, strict, hold a broader range of potentially inappropriate comment. If you want to be very strict with your comments, you leave it on those strict. Okay, then hold all comments means you want to review all the comment, whether it is normal comment or somebody comes to use all these abusive comment in your comment section. You want to review all of them before you can actually approve it. You can leave it on this old comment, but for mine I prefer it on basic. That is where I actually leave my comment. Okay, so don't turn off your comment. Then you see this option of show how many viewers like this video. Guys, you need to leave this setting on. It's very, very important. I don't see the reason why you want to turn it off. You actually need to leave this setting on. Okay, so you can see right here mine is on because you actually want to see how many viewers that like your video, so I leave it on. Please guys, if at this point in time you are still watching me and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please do well to like this video. If you have not liked this video at this point in time, do well to like, do well to subscribe, so that you send a good signal to the YouTube algorithm that this video is actually okay. All right, have you subscribed? Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being part of my community. Okay, the next thing that you need to enable on your YouTube studio, okay, is to make sure that you turn this on. No, your video is not meant for kids. Anyways, you know the type of YouTube channel you are actually running. You know if your YouTube channel is made for kids, and you also know if your YouTube channel is not made for kids. Okay, so it's left for you to choose. If you know that your YouTube channel is not made for kids, like me, I'm doing tutorial content and actually my channel is not made for kids, please guys, do well to leave it. No, it's not made for kids, because if you actually leave it, yes, it's made for kids channel, to not allow people to comment on your video. Like if you want to comment, they'll see that your comment are disabled. Okay, another thing that people seems to overlook is this age restriction. So if you know that you have actually ticked restrict my video to viewers over 18, I don't know, you know what your channel is all about for, but for mine, if your channel is for kids, you can leave it yes to viewers over 18, but mine is not made for kids and I leave it no, don't restrict my videos to viewers over 18 years. Whenever you want to upload a video, you need to click on no on altered content. But if you actually want me to make a well-detailed tutorial on how this or altered content works and why you need to leave it yes or no, you let me know about that in the comment section and I'm going to do just that. Okay, so another thing I want you to like not to enable it here is automatic chapters. Please, if you have been ticking it whenever you are uploading a video on your YouTube channel, don't do it again. It's very, very wrong. Okay, if you actually want me to explain this very well, let me see that comment in the comment section and I'm going to do a well-detailed tutorial on why you don't need to leave it on, and I'll actually show you how to chapter your video, or I had to make your video to be chapters by chapter based on the topic you are actually talking about. Okay, so after that being said, sorry guys, after that being said, this is another thing that I actually want to show you guys. Okay, when you come to elements, okay, you see these add subtitles. It's very, very important. This is what I actually do. I used to click on add. So when I click on add, okay, you are now going to see all these options: upload file, automatic synchronization, that is auto sync, and type manually. You know that I want to be typing manually what you're actually talking on your video, you go ahead and type. As for me, I've always put my on auto synchronization. This auto synchronization means that Sometimes whenever you go on YouTube and you just see a particular video, you will not even click on that video to watch. You just see that that video is actually playing and captions are being shown on the video. So this is what this automatic synchronization actually mean. Okay, so you actually need to like always add subtitles to your video, that's caption that people see, to actually watch your video and read what is being shown on the screen. Okay, I'm sure in this video I have covered some of the important features that you actually need to activate on your YouTube studio in order for YouTube to keep on recommending your videos to more viewers. I hope you find this video helpful. Please and let me know what topic you want me to make a video on in the comment section. Do well to like, share, most, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. I know you are finding value in my video. You can also check my other videos, and I'm sure I'm always dropping a value packed video. Please do well to subscribe so that you stay updated whenever I upload a new video. And the only thing that will make you to stay updated whenever I've uploaded a new video is when you actually turn on the notification bell, so that you stay updated whenever I bring a new video. Bye guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Mwah.